I greet everyone on my channel. Today it is a short video will be about how I made a stove from the trash that was in my garage. Well, let's start. So guys, a little bit I got carried away. Main job I didn't show you because it's a long time. In short, that's what I got. It turned out so locomotive.
Это такой вот паровоз. Сейчас мы его выкатим на улицу.
Now we him roll out onto the street. I'm firewood here cooked try to melt. By the way, I bought pipes here.
Оцинковочку. Вот такая труба.
Such a pipe just fits under the old thermos. Well, this thermos clearly became. This is an old thermos which is no longer kept warm.
Сейчас ставим. О, четко стало. А вот это старый термос, который уже не держал тепло. Так, сейчас я выкачу на улицу и попробую.
So now I go out on street and try to melt, plus I will show all sorts of chips on the engine. So the guys smoked our engine. We have a pipe.
Так, ребятки, задымил наш паровоз. Вот такая труба у нас.
Engine firebox, authentic crane. He is not will heat up because it's on spring.
Он не будет нагреваться, потому что он на пружине. Это поддувало. Ну и замок. Это дым идет с самой трубы, просто ветер крутит тут возле гаража. Вот замок такой.
Here is a ball to make a castle opens.
Сделать, открывается топка. Вот горят дрова. Разгорелась с первого раза, сразу только поджег.
Flared up the first time, just for arson one newspaper if it starts to burn.
Вот смотрите, какую интересную ручку я.
Look at how I made an interesting pen. Welded a nut and a bolt. Here is another bigger nut. Now I will show how she closes, and all the furnace is closed.
Такая вот система. Сейчас покажу, как она закрывает. И все, топка закрыта. Вон видно, огонь горит.
It has seen fire burns, and everything else is just decor.
Так, ребятки, закончил я печечку.
So the guys, I finished the stove like that. The engine turned out painted black heat resistant paint.
Жаростойкой краской. Так вот развлекаются железнодорожники.
That's how the railwaymen have fun on vacation, making such stoves in the garage so it was warm. By the way, I have news so very nice here. Subscriber to me sent a gift, this one a picture. The garage, we hang it at the very visible spot. To everyone who enters the garage saw that this is my garage and here my regulations. Thank you so much my subscriber. The rest can also send me gifts. I will be very happy, very glad. Thank you all for now. Write comments, like, and let it be always warm in your house and in the garages are warm near. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Bye everyone.